downstairs.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I see. I thought that was just a dolly.
So here it is inside. Got a little bit of better lighting on it, but it's a Makita HM1810. 120 volt, 15 amp. So we're gonna try to use this to bust out this slab over here, but before I do that, I still have a Linky plumbing line over there that's been going for the last couple weeks. So I am gonna cut this copper and cut it back closer to the supply there where I can get access to it and know I can be able to reattach to it. So that's first step. Cut that copper, get it capped up. I'm gonna use some shark bites for now, and then we'll see if we can start busting out some concrete. Now I got this for my uncle. I don't think he would have sold me a lemon, but I have not used this yet, and nor have I really jackhammered ever in my life. So why do I think I can do this? I don't know. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube do it. Like, I can't pay somebody else to do it. I know that. So that just means I have to do it. I'm going to attempt to put the shark bite right in here. And here, these valves I obviously don't hold. I'm going to get rid of it all. I think shark bites are great for a temporary fix like this because I cannot get this pipe dry. So that'll get me stop leaking, and then I can go do my concrete work without water all over the place. I'm going to clean this pipe up a little bit before I cut it. Okay, water is off. I couldn't believe how much these are now. They're like 13 bucks each, I guess. These guys. Where's my little food? You're getting a close-up of my first soldering joints ever right here. You can tell they look great.
They're really good, yeah.
Did they leak? Then they're good. Okay, we're about to get sprayed, just so we're aware. All right, what do you know? Maybe not. It's actually draining out of... Oh! Now it found us. It heard me. All right. Supposedly, just pop that bad boy on there all the way. I don't know if I got it on all the way. There it is. That's all there is to it.
One more.
Una más. Made it. It's sticking on that glue. That's annoying. Oh. Nice. Go, 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 go. All right. I think we're dry. And that's why I can't solder right there very easily, because I turn off all the valves and that's what it looks like. All right, whatever I do, I'm getting rid of this little stub. I don't think I want to take all this copper out, mainly because I don't have a place to put it. I got a big pile of copper outside by the side of the house already. I have to make a trip to the recycling with all my copper. I got some wire too. There's a little water left in that one, but just the remnants of what was. Oh, more than a little water. Look out! Oh well, that's out of the way. One last thing.
All right,
Okay.
Okay.
Should I put gloves on?
Yeah. Hang on. Let me see your hand.
Yeah, that's heavy.
You ready?
Nope.
First try. What's up?
The circuit.
Woo!
Okay, I'm too curious. I know I'm gonna reroute some stuff, but I am curious how good this guy does on the original slab. All right. Now what? gonna go through our drain. I think this is the one we meant to use. I need to start working out. Oh boy. I need to be taller. Oh boy. Yep. Huh. Yeah, that sucks. That's a shitty slab, dude. Well, you can see that's dirt. So I had like maybe a 2-inch thick slab right there. So I think that's best case scenario. Couple inches of concrete to dig out. Dig it out a little bit. Pour some new stuff. Good ceiling heights. Put my drains where I want them. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Thanks for watching.